Hello, my lovely nail friends, and welcome back to another Shein haul. I also have some other goodies that I'm going to be sharing with you. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, I just hope you guys are enjoying the holidays. It's been a rough time of year for me because it was a year on December 3rd that I had lost my son. He was 19, and I lost him tragically, and it just has been really hard for me and my family. On top of that, my dad was really sick, then my mom got really sick, then my sister-in-law got really sick. It was just like, oh my God. So I'm back in my nail studio and I just need to like refresh, regroup. So I want to share this little haul with you guys. All right, let's get started. Nail brushes. And I saw another YouTuber had these. And I was like, oh, that's a great idea. So I'm going to put them in my daughter's bathroom, keep one up here, put one in my bathroom. You can never have enough nail brushes just to like clean under the nail and get the dust out. So got these. I'm not going to open them. You can see what they are. This little gadget. Now, how adorable is this? So I, along with my wine, I also love tea, and I do go to a lot of tea houses with my family. We just had a Christmas tea a couple weeks ago, and it was so delicious. So I got some. It's actually like, this is a tea holder. So you just open it up and clamp it shut. You put your tea leaves in here. So for like, you know, any type of like vintage tea, that's what I have. Vintage Christmas, I have Saint Nick, and I have something else. And then you just you pour the leaves in here and you let it steep in your cup. Was the holder. So they sent me the white one, and I guess you open it here. I'll figure it. There you go. And then you put your nails in between and you display them. Yeah, nail art display stand. So the bottom, it flew off onto the floor somewhere, but so this will be cute. Actually, I might order another one of these to put on my other table. Okay, this I thought was really pretty. So look how pretty. These are so stinking cute. Like for Valentine's Day or whatever. Get more glitter. Like the last haul, I had glitter. This is different. These are chunkier. These are a lot chunkier, it looks like. So there's no names on them. You know what, guys? Sometimes I'll use this stuff if my daughter has an art project. I'll just, yeah, these, I don't know. Like, they're getting all over the place, but they're cute. They're like little balls. So sugaring, I think these are too big for sugaring, but again, for the price, what are these, $1? Oh, another thing. One of the reasons I got this is because I wanted this little tray. So this comes with them, with the 4 little colors. So you got like your crystal green. That's pretty. That's really pretty. So, and it's like a pinky watermelon bubblegummy color, but this is what I really wanted. And I could not find this by itself on the website. So I ordered these just so I could get the little tray. I love the shape of it. I can't even get it open. Oh, it's all over the place. But you get the idea. It kind of looks like tinsel. Oh, and half of it fell out. You know what it looks like? It looks like hair cuttings, but it's it's just really pretty. So I wanted to give that a try. I also got these, what are these called? Teardrops? No. Rhinestone Decor Waterdrop. Oh my God, look at these. So again, I thought these were really original, unique. So I got these along with the rose rhinestone removers. I have one and it broke. So these things come in handy, but you just got to watch because there's like a little clasp right here and it unhooks. And yes, I hooked it back on, but then it kind of snapped off. So I just got another one. This one was super cheap. The first one I got was like a couple coins. And then I got the swatch sticks in black, which is great if you're doing like, you know, any type of chrome or whatever. I just needed some black swatch sticks. So I got 2 packs of them, and then I got little spongies for the chrome too, just to, you know, rub off the chrome. Okay, so that is it for my Shein haul. So let's dig in. I always love their packaging. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty. And here we go with the little heart-shaped nuts, whatever you want to call them. All right, so let's pull this out first. Okay. So here are, I just got the 3 polishes. This one is Fairytale, and I'm gonna show you them. I'm gonna do swatches and everything. This one is Lovespell. And then we have Hex Appeal. Oh, these are so pretty. I could not, when I saw this collection, I was like, I have got it. So here we are. The Enchanted Collection. So first we have Morning Dew. Ooh, how pretty is that? Oh my God, you could even use this for sugar, well, sugaring, or, you know, when you do the little snowflakes like I did here. Beautiful. Oh God, I just love their powders. This I thought was kind of different. This looks like a moss. This is called Fronds for Life. Fronds for Life. It looks like a spice. It's sort of like, I don't know, like a dark turmeric. No, turmeric is more orange, but yeah, so I just thought that would be cool for like some nail art, or if you want to create some leaves or whatever, but I don't have a green like that, and I thought that was really cool. Fairytale. Ooh, pretty. Kind of looks like boba time. I have a whole cover collection, so that kind of reminds me of that a little bit. Here's another one that reminds me of the cover collection a little. This is Lovespell. Yeah, looks like the cover collection that I have. This looks like rose water a little bit. Okay, and then we have Bewitch You. Bewitch You. Ooh, this is a pretty rust color maybe? Ooh, okay, so now this reminds me, do I have that over there? Yeah, this reminds me of, where is it? This reminds me of Marilyn Merlot. A little bit of a difference, a little bit. This was from the Wine Me Down collection, I think it's called. So yeah, a little bit brighter, obviously. It's still beautiful. Definitely will use this. This is gonna be perfect for like the fall. Or now, who cares? There's no rules, right? Hex Appeal. So here is Hex Appeal in the powder. Oh, look at that. That is so rich. It looks like paprika. Get some paprika nails. Okay, so I'm going to swatch these and I will be right back.